Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. I have something that I'm super excited to share with you. This is my MelodySusie Scarlet nail drill. Now people, Scarlet nail drill. Now people, I am not a professional nail tech. We all know this. I have been using the drill for removal purposes. And the drill I have is terrible. It's like not a good drill at all. So I needed to upgrade and get a better one. But I want to let you guys know that I am very, very cautious with what I do with these things because I haven't been trained in this. So anyway, with that said, I'm excited and I thought I would share this unboxing of the MelodySusie Scarlet nail drill. If you go on any Facebook group, well, with nail people, this is a very, very common one for them to recommend when people ask about nail drills. So you'll see that it comes with a user manual. Oh, hey, 20% off. And by the way, this one also came with these nail drill bits. These are diamond bits, so they're not gonna be used for the purposes that I need, which is removal. This is more for like cleaning things up and less abrasive type of work for that. Yeah, so let's keep going. I do believe I paid about $50-something for both the drill and the bits. It was like a package deal and I got a percentage off or something. So we get our power adapter. We get our, oh, there's more bits inside. So these are other diamond bits as well. So these are just colored fancier ones. And then these are the typical ones that you'll get with a nail drill. This is going to be your hand piece, I believe. Mine doesn't even have a lock chuck on it, so the current one. So I'm super excited about having the right stuff to hold the bits in place. Oh, nice. Nice. Check it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels really so good in the hand. It feels really, really high quality. Very nice looking. Okay, so there's that. Oh, it also comes with a foot pedal. Again, I am not a professional. I don't know how much I'm actually going to be using the foot pedal, but I mean, maybe I'll try it out and see. And then the base. One of the reasons that I got this base, oh, it's nice and heavy too. Get the box out of the way. One of the reasons that I got the base was because it has these dots that will hold the nail bits, not nail bits, the drill bits in them. It also has a display here that shows you how many RPMs you're going. This one goes up to 30,000 RPMs, which apparently is never something that you want to actually do. For removing product, I think you stay between 10 and 15, and for natural nail work, you want to be way down here. But in any event, this is what we got. Okay, I'm so excited. Yeah. And I thought it was a good deal because I got the bits with it. So, oh, one other thing I wanted to show you. Another reason that I liked it is not only can I keep it on my table, but I can put this right inside there like that. So there's a storage place for the tool, which is awesome. Okay, I had to grab an adapter because I live in Germany. The voltage here is different. We have 220 voltage instead of 110. So I'm gonna have to use an adapter with it, but on the upside, this one does go all the way to 240, which is what I need. I don't know if you can see that. In order to plug this into a German outlet, it says, it has to say that it goes all the way to 240. And if you'll notice, it says it on the base as well, from 100 to 240 volts. Yahoo! So let's plug this puppy in. I almost forgot, I wanted to show you how the little drill bits fit. So if you use a certain drill bit very often, then they can go inside here like this. So you can clean them up and then you can put them on the sides, put your handpiece right inside, and bada boom, bada bing, it's ready to go for the next time you need it. I thought I would go ahead and open up the bits so that you could see them. Like I said, this was a package deal. I don't even know if it's still available, but I got the bits with the drill personally. If I was able to choose them, I might have chosen some ones that were more for product removal, but I don't even know what this does. Nail tech people, what the poop does this do? It's like rubbery feeling, I think. Okay, So yeah, these are just super fine. Ooh, they even need to be not scored. What do you call it? Prepared so that they don't have any rough edges on it. Yeah, this one for sure. Anyway, so this is what they look like. This is what came with it. Let's go ahead and put one of those in. I'll just pick a random one. Okay, and then there's a lock and unlock on the handpiece. We're gonna unlock it. This one we want to keep in here so that no dust gets inside of that. I've done enough research to know that. I'm so excited. And then we're gonna lock it into place. Okay, and once it locks into place, it shouldn't wiggle around or come out anymore. Of course, on the back of the drill, you have a forward and a reverse, depending on if you're left-handed or right-handed. And I'm just gonna turn it on just to make sure it works. There was a little bit of wiggle in that, wasn't there? Is that something I did? There you go. So that's barely on at all. That's 5,000. All the way, whoa! Holy poople snaps, that's up to 10,000. Wow, that's fun. Okay, people, this is what I know. I know that I'm super excited to have this drill. I know that I'm super lucky to have this drill as well because I got a gift card from some Christmas gifts, and I was fortunate enough to be able to purchase this more expensive drill. Typically I wouldn't buy anything like this, and yeah, so thanks people who gave me those Christmas gifts. I really appreciate it. People, don't use this stuff until you feel comfortable with it. It took me years in order to feel comfortable with even purchasing a drill, and that was really for product removal more than anything else. I was trying to think of it. I don't ever use these things on my natural nails. I only use it to remove product. So it depends on what you want to use it for. I highly suggest you do a lot of research before you buy it, before you use it, before you ruin your nails. You guys, nail drills are the reason I stopped going to salons, because nail techs would go crazy. They would damage my nails and burn me and all kinds of things. Nail drills are the reason that I stopped going to salons. So it's kind of a big step for me to take this and trust myself in doing this. Just start out slow if you're going to use one. Make sure you do lots of research and be careful, people. Be careful above all else. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the MelodySusie Scarlet and nail drill, yay. And people, if you like what's going on in this channel, feel free to subscribe. That could be great, that could be wonderful. It would help us all out. Follow me on Instagram @GrooveMama, and until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!